Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to extend battery life and Windows 11 on laptop. If you're using any laptop using Windows 11 and you want to extend your battery life, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your task manager. Just go to the search option and just search for task manager. And here you just have to wait for until the app opens. And here just right click on memory and then you just have to look for battery usage. Here is the power usage. Click on this. So if you might see any app is using very high or high power battery usage, so just right click on it and then click on end task. So it will completely disable that, close that app. And once you have done, you just have to go back. Now you have to go to settings. Just go to settings here. In settings, just go to system and then go to power and battery. Now on this screen, you just have to select power mode, and here now on battery, you have to select best power efficiency, or you can also select balance. You don't have to select best performance on battery if you want to get best performance. So I recommend you have to select best performance plugged in. So when your the laptop will be plugged in, you might get best performance, and after that on battery you might see best power efficiency. Once you have done, just scroll down. There's option of screen, sleep, and happy timeout. So under on battery section, you just have to select 1 minute or 2 minute or is it 3 minutes recommended. So let's say I want to select 3 minutes from here. So you have to select 3 minutes for every option under the battery section. So now once your PC or your laptop on battery, your screen will be turned off after 1 minute or after 3 minutes. You have selected here. So these tips will help you to extend your battery life. You can also use power saving mode here. Just click on this option and here you must see energy saver. So whenever you're on your battery, you have to enable energy saver. So it will get help you to get extended battery life of your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.